Mr. Bhatia, you've told us a lot about maths, but what about other subjects?
Yes, we have designed techniques for other subjects too, which you can use to memorize your textbook very fast. So let us study these techniques in this section.
Wow, that's great.
Welcome to the discussion on memory. Ever since I've been training Vedic maths to people all over the world, students have started getting great scores in math. But often I get complaints from parents and teachers, what about other subjects? What about making our children learn history, geography, sciences, foreign languages and everything that will give them a boost in their overall score? And that is why we have devised techniques on memory also, some of which we shall see in this segment. But before going ahead, let me tell you that we all have two types of memories. One is what we call natural memory, that was there with us since we were born. And over and above that, you can develop your memory in a technique what we call as trained memory. So your natural memory and your trained memory together can help you get better results. In this section, we can see how you can develop on your trained memory. We can scientifically, using certain techniques that I teach you, enhance your memory power. So before going ahead, friends, let us understand the three rules of memory on which all our techniques are based. There are three rules on memory. The first rule says that as human beings, we all remember pictures very fast. Whenever you are thinking or you are dreaming, you always tend to think in pictures. We all have a good picture memory. If I ask you to think of a beach, at the very moment you will not see the word written B-E-A-C-H. No. Instead, you will see a photo of a beach in your mind. If I ask you to think of a garden, you will not see the word written G-A-R-D-E-N. No. Instead of that, a photo of a garden will come in your mind. So the very first law of memory says we always think in pictures. Now, let us come to the second law of memory. The second law of memory says we remember anything that makes sense. If I talk to you in English language, you will be able to understand me. But if I talk to you anything randomly haphazard, you will not be able to remember or recall what I told you. So the second law of memory says we remember anything that makes sense. And the third law of memory says that we remember anything that is special. Whatever is weird, whatever is awkward, whatever is different, whatever is unique, whatever is special catches our attention and the focus of our brain, and that is why we are able to remember it very fast. Friends, suppose I ask you, what did you do on 6th February 2002? Will you remember? Chances are you will not. If I ask you, what did you do on 4th March 2005? Will you remember? I doubt it. But if I ask you, what did you do on your birthday? You will definitely remember. Why? Because birthday was a special event. Friends, we meet thousands of people on the road. Do we remember all of them? No way. But one day, if we see our favorite celebrity walking down the road, we will definitely remember that event for the rest of our life. Why? Because for us, that person is special. So the third law of memory says, whatever is special, we remember better. So let me revise. To remember anything, you must convert it to a picture, it must make sense, and it must be special. If all these three laws are followed, picture, sense, and special, you can remember anything. Next, we will see how to use these laws when we remember history dates, geography maps, long answers from your textbook, scientific terms, complex vocabulary.